Mama, no water, give me some cold drink. Mama, I don't want cold drink, give me some juice. Juice? Let's make some juice. Friends, I've only got watermelon at home, so let's try something different today. So let's get started. First we have to cut the top of the watermelon. Friends, you can ask your mummy or daddy to cut this for you. Friends, as you can see, we have cut the top of the watermelon. Now we need to scoop out the watermelon from inside. For this, you can use an ice cream scoop or a large spoon. Wow, this looks like my friend's empty brain. Now we need to blend this scooped watermelon. While my mom is blending the watermelon, my dad shall help me fix this tap on this. My tap is ready, my juice is done. Now we have to pour this juice into the shell of the watermelon. While pouring, use a strainer so that no seeds or chunks fall inside. For refreshing flavor, I am using some lemon juice. Now add some ice cubes into it. Now add some fresh mint leaves into it. Stir it lightly. Now cover the cap. Your fruit dispenser is ready. Friends, I'm all excited to use this tap. Wow, this watermelon juice is super delicious. You can also use this idea by using pumpkins, melons, and pineapples. Friends, please try it at home. You can use this idea in picnics and parties.